Okay, so if you notice on the top of the factory bump stop, it has little notches cut out. So to loosen this, you just use a flathead screwdriver, put it in the notch, and just tap it with a hammer. Of course, this one's tight. I can't see what I'm doing. There it goes. And then you just unscrew it. And there's your old factory bump stop. Before you put the new Sumo spring in, you just want to pre-fit it to make sure you got the vehicle up high enough before you put Loctite on there. And I don't. I need to jack it up just a little bit more. And this is using the factory jack that comes with the Travato. That should be plenty. Loctite on the threads.
And that just helps secure it.
And then you just thread in the Sumo spring, aka bump stop, and you only install them hand tight.
Should I go to the other side here?
Okay.